Hey everybody, good morning. Robb. Today I want to talk about how easy, inexpensive, and quick it is to add mini blinds and solar reflective film to your windows in your kitchen. I had some curtains in my kitchen that were for 20 years. They were there, and I thought it was time. Also, they blocked all of the light. So what I did is I purchased these mini blinds from Home Depot. I'll leave a link, but they're basically pretty much the same design. Everybody makes them, and they're quick to install. You drill two holes for your brackets here and two holes for brackets here. You could make a mistake. You see here is the roller mechanism for the blind here, here, and here. And I put a hole here, which was fine, but then I put a hole here, which was in the way of the bracket. So it should have been drilled over here, which I had to make a separate hole. Once you put the holes in there, the bracket has the word top on the top, so you know where the top is, and the long side faces the window. And once they're even with your line you made, you just snap in the blind. It's pretty easy. Just make sure that your roller mechanism is on the outside so you don't install it reverse, so then you have to take it out. It's difficult to remove. It doesn't come with string, so if you have cats, they can't destroy it very easily because there's no string anymore. It operates just like a regular mini blind. You know, it goes up and down, and it makes a big transformation. It was $17. Let's talk about the reflective, solar reflective material. This is what it looks like. The one I got is copper on one side and silver on the other. The silver faces the outside. You clean your window thoroughly. I didn't do a good job cleaning. I mean, I cleaned it, but I didn't clean as well as I should, because when the water dried, there was a little bit of discoloration in between the film and the window. The good thing about this film is if you put it on wrong, you can take it off again. And be very careful. If you get a crease, once you get a crease in there and you press it down, it's permanent. But if you get bubbles, it's not a problem. You can remove it, put some more spray on, and put it back on. It's very important that you measure the size of your window. If it's better to be a little bit bigger, you can take a razor blade and remove any excess. It was on sale for like $9 or $10, but they're varying price quite a lot. I'll leave a link for the one I got, but over time the prices vary. So you just find out who has the best prices. I think they're pretty much all the same material. I'll go outside and show you how easy it is to see inside. Like I said, make sure it's very clean. Put some soapy water. I put just a couple drops of soap in this bottle and made some soapy water. And you take a squeegee as you peel the film off. It's kind of tricky. Also, because the sink is in the way, you can't get close, so you have to stand on the box. It's kind of dangerous because the box can flip out underneath you. It's very inexpensive, very quick, and it really transforms the kitchen, the window. Now you can see out, people can't see in it easily, and you don't have a dark room where before you did. And like I said, also in the wintertime, if you want to remove this film, you can, and then reapply it in the summertime. It's a really quick, simple transformation. I wish I had done it quicker, or sooner. I installed the window film in the bedroom. I installed the blinds in the bedroom, and they made a big difference. Let's go outside and see what it looks like inside. You really can't see too much. Need to do a better job here. But the lights are on in the kitchen, and you really can't see anybody. So that's a good deal. I turned the lights off in the kitchen. It's even more dark. So there you go, guys. So long as you have a drill and something to stand on so you can get up at the ceiling, you can transform your windows in your house really inexpensively with these blinds. The film, I don't know how long the film will last, but the blinds should last a long time. But the film exposed to the sun, I think it has a shelf life, you know. I wouldn't expect it to last longer than, 5 or 10 years. But it's fairly easy to install, inexpensive. All right, I'm rambling here. Guys, take care. See you out there.